Hey everyone, this is Chris with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Cargraphic Lowering Module on the 971 Panamera. The factory component that we need to access in order to install our plug-and-play harness is on the left side of the vehicle, and it's located under a few carpet and trim panels. Now, to pull off the carpet and the trim panels, all you need to do is remove the hidden T25 screws, and then you'll be able to slightly remove, not all the way, this black trim piece right here. And once you've done that, you should have enough room to squeeze out your carpet, and then you'll have access to your lowering module. So installation with the plug-and-play harness is very easy. First, you need to remove the factory connector, and then you're going to plug in the female end to the factory harness. There's only one way that this can install, and once that's installed, go ahead and use the other end to go into the factory module. And then on the other side of the harness, you've got the connector that goes to the Cargraphic module, as well as an on-off switch. So go ahead and plug in your Cargraphic module. And then we're gonna tuck all this behind the carpet, and then we're gonna reinstall everything. For our installation, we're also gonna be using a zip tie to hold the module to the car so we don't get any rattling noises. And now that the Cargraphic lowering module is installed, we can go ahead and replace our carpet and all the trim pieces, and then the installation will be complete. Now there you have it. With the plug-and-play harness, installation is very easy. If you want to check out this product and others for the 971 Panamera, check us out at flat6motorsports.com, and we'll see you in the next video.